All right, so we're going to do the last one, which I'm sure there's a way to cheat, but I just don't know it. So I'm just going to have to do this from scratch. So we're doing Crazy Monkey. Centroid is median. So we have to find the midpoint of each one. Okay, midpoint of each one. And wherever those meet, then that's the centroid. All right, so I do know how to actually cheat with the midpoint. The midpoint... Yeah, the midpoint of any line is a perpendicular bisector, so I can actually cheat. Go right up here, perpendicular bisector. That's going to cut it in half of this line. Okay, perpendicular bisector of this other line, and perpendicular bisector of this line. Okay, I don't need this because wherever a perpendicular bisector, that's the circumcenter. I don't need this at the bottom, okay? That's circumcenter. What I really need is these points where it crosses, because where a bisector is going to cut it in two. So go to points, make a point, and put it at the points where it cuts it. And those are my midpoints. Then I'm going to go to delete. You might have this one, so go there, click delete all the way at the bottom. And then you're going to delete the line. So you see how you highlight the line? Oh, it took the point away. Okay, never mind. Put the line back. Okay, let's try this. Let's change the color. So let's go right click, go object properties, and we're going to go color, and we're going to put it white. There you go. Click left click, white. Left click, white. Okay. Oh wait, but I didn't put points on the others. So let me go back. Go back. All right, there's points. Click. No, go back. I guess I have to right click all of them is what I have to do. Right click, color, white. That's what I have to do. Right click, color, white. There you go. Right click, color, white. Nope, put that back. OMG. All right, right click, object properties. I want to go color, white. There's no shortcut. Right click. All right, I'm going to close this out so I can do this last one because it's giving me problems. Right click. Oh, okay. Right click. There we go. Color, white. Okay, great. Because all I needed, I'm just going to X out of that. All I needed was the midpoint. And I know if I do the perpendicular bisector, I'm going to get the midpoint. And the median is from the vertex to each midpoint. So I'm going to do a line segment from the vertex to the midpoint. Another line segment from the vertex to the midpoint. From the vertex to the midpoint. All right, and where those intersect, that's going to be my centroid. So I'm going to put a point where all three highlighted. That's my centroid. All right, go to move. Let's see what happens when we do this. So, moving the wrong thing again, move C. All right, so when my triangles are 90, it doesn't seem anything special happens. So it doesn't matter how I move it. Obtuse, acute, a centroid is always in the center. So really a centroid is the center of the triangle. So it doesn't matter how I move it. All right, so that's how you do your construction. So centroid is where the medians intersect. Orthocenter is where the altitudes intersect. Circumcenter, the perpendicular bisectors intersect, and in center, angle bisectors intersect. With anything, it's just practice. If you just practice these, then you're going to get real good.